You can create pull quotes in Squarespace by dragging text blocks into other text blocks. You may refer to this action as wrapping text around text or floating text blocks. A pull quote is a quotation or excerpt from a page that stands apart from the rest of the content. They can break up long pieces of text and can make a page more visually interesting when set at a different size or font. The first step is adding text for the pull quote. Create a new text block and add the text you'll be using for the pull quote. Ensure the pull quote is its own text block and not a part of another. Highlight the text, then select a format from the drop-down menu. If the rest of your page is set to medium paragraph or normal, we recommend selecting a heading format to help it stand out. Next, we'll drag and drop the text block into place. Hover over the edge of the block until your cursor becomes a hand icon. Click and drag the block to move it around the page. As you drag the block, the guideline will appear as a box to show you where the block will appear in the text. Drop it in the position you prefer. The pull quote will look like this. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.